Yeah, in this video I'll quickly show you how you guys can print your addendum form from your NYSC dashboard. Without wasting much of our time, let's jump into action. This is addendum, so it's very easy and straightforward to print. It's just like an oath, you understand? So each PCM has their own embedded addendum on their dashboard. So everybody has to print his or her own because it comes with individual names. So now, without wasting much of our time, let me quickly show you guys. So you slot in your email and password. So once you log in, you click on resume. Once you log in, you see it is the first pop-up that's going to show on your dashboard. It's the first pop-up. So you see it now. Let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, it's still loading. You can see it's still rolling. But there is one thing you need to know. You can only get this done on PC. It cannot be done on your smartphone. It can only be done on PC. Even if you change your smartphone to to desktop mode, it won't be done. So it can only be done on your PC, that is computer, personal system, laptop or so. So this is the add-on. You see it added on. So you see it. So all you just need to do is to do what? You just have to click on print. As you can see, there is it. So click on print. Once you click on print, you click on save. So you save it on your phone. And from there you can take it to cyber cafe to print out. So that is how to print your added on. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.